Which star is at the center of our solar system? Answer: Sun. Next, how many stars are in the Milky Way? Answer: more than 100 billion. Next, when was Sun born? Answer: roughly 4.6 billion years ago. What is the distance between Sun and Earth? Answer: 92,960,000 miles, 149,600,000 kilometers. Next, what is the diameter of Sun? Answer: 1. 3,927 million kilometers, 865,374 miles. Next, Sun's chemical composition. Answer: 71% of hydrogen, 26.5% helium, and 2.5% of other elements. How much time does sun rays take to reach Earth? Answer: 8 minutes. Next, which planet is nearest to the Earth? Answer: Mercury. Next, which planet is known as the morning star or the evening star? Answer: Venus. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Next, which planet has the most moons? Answer: the planet with the most number of moons is Jupiter with 79 moons. Next, which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer: Mercury. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer: Venus. Next, which planets have rings around them? Answer: Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Next, what is the orbital period of Moon? Answer: 27 days. Which planet has the most volcanoes? Answer: Venus. Next, which planets do not have moons? Answer: Mercury and Venus. Next, which planet spins backwards relative to the others? Answer: Venus. When was the first man-made object sent into space? Answer: 1957. Next, why do we have high and low tides? Answer: because of the moon's gravity. Next, who was the first person to reach space? Answer: Yuri Gagarin on April 12, 1961. Who was the first woman to reach space? Answer: Valentina Tereshkova in 1963. Next, who was the first person to set foot on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. Next, which planet has approximately the same landmass as Earth? Answer: Mars. How many natural satellites of Earth are there? Answer: 1. Moon. Next, when was the Pluto reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet? Answer: in 2006. Next, who discovered the solar system? Answer: Copernicus. Which planet is known as the morning star? Answer: Venus. Next, the scientists have found some proofs of presence of water on which of the following planets? Answer: Mars. Next, the smallest planet, the fastest planet, the planet nearest to Sun is? Answer: Mercury. Solar eclipse occurs when? Answer: moon comes between Sun and Earth. Next, the rising of evening star indicates the? Answer: west. Next, lunar eclipse occurs only on? Answer: Earth comes between the Sun and the moon. Which planet takes the largest time to go once around Sun? Answer: Neptune. Next, who was the first tourist in space? Answer: Denis Tito, Brazil. Next, how many days does the moon take return the same position among the constellations? Answer: 28 days. How many layers are present in the atmosphere of the sun? Answer: 3 layers. Next, the visible part of the sun is called. Answer: photosphere. Next, which planet is known as Earth's near twin planet? Answer: Venus. Hubble is launched in 1990. Answer: space telescopes. Next, who was the first Saudi, first Muslims also, in space? Answer: Sultan Salman Al Saud. Next, name the first animal to be sent in space. Answer: Laika. When did the space age begin with the launch of the Russian Sputnik? Answer: October 4, 1957. Next, which planet contains largest quantity of carbon dioxide with 95%? Answer: Venus. Next, what are red giants? Answer: old stars. Which of the following US space shuttles? Answer: Opportunity, Columbia, Challenger. Next, the heaviest mass revolving round the sun is? Answer: Jupiter. Next, the planet which has longest day is? Answer: Venus. What is the rank of the Earth in the solar system in terms of size? Answer: fifth. Next, the Earth revolves around the sun at a speed of? Answer: 30 km. Next, a light year is equal to? Answer: 9.50 millions kilometers. The planet which has shortest year is? Answer: Mercury. Next, the planet which has longest year is? Answer: Neptune. Next, how many satellites, moons of Saturn planet? Answer: 62. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to the? Answer: rotation of Earth on its axis. Next, which of the following planet of the solar system associated with Goldilocks zone? Answer: Earth. Next, which is the brightest star outside the solar system? Answer: Sirius. Who among the following propounded the theory of black hole? Answer: S. Chandrasekhar. Next, what is the time taken by the sun to revolve around the center of our galaxy? Answer: 25 crore years. Next, what does the color of star indicates? Answer: temperature.